the one who sits on the throne, with resounding praise we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a song by the Lovworld singers, Resounding Praise. And it's a song that is modulated, all right, with simple lyrics. Okay, so we're going to be starting from F to F sharp, then to G. The rest you can learn them for yourself. I'm going to give you the principle of playing it. All right, so and with all the keys is the same progression. All right, so it starts from a chord 1. So you can do a simple intro like so it's the same progression that I'm using. All right, so this is a song. We worship, the one who sits on the throne, with resounding praise we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. All right, so it's 1, 2, a 3, then you can do a 6, back to 4, to 5, so this is what they played. Who sits on the throne, with resounding praise. So it is a 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right, 6. That 10 around is a 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right, so let me teach you. So 1, 2. We worship. You can stay there. The 1, 4, who sits on the throne, with resounding praise we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. So again, worship, we worship the one, chord 4, who says 5, then you do a 6. Okay, so do this 6, 2, then the 5, you do it like this. Sorry. Okay, so the 5 you do it this way. So you play a 5, 7 flat, a 3rd, and then a 4. That's the chord. Or you can just do something like this. Alright. Okay, but do this. So it's like this: 6, 2, 1 to 4. So again. So we worship, the one who sits on the throne. With resounding praise, we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. Okay, so when you're modulating, this is what you do. Okay, so this is F sharp. All right, so you play a 1, 4, 1, 4, 5. You know, you suspend it like this. A sus 4. So 1, 4, 5. Instead of the 1, 3, 5, you play 1, 4, 5. You just add the octave to it. But this one you play it on the 5. So the 5 with the 1 sus 4. So let's do it again. And with the F sharp, this is 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, a 6, a 2, a 5, a 1. And then when you're playing this chord, the one with a 5, you play like this. All right, so let's do it again. We worship the one who sits on the throne. With resounding praise, we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. We worship the one who sits on the throne. Okay, so that place we are going to do 3. So this is how you play 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. Now this key is not coming, so yeah. So we worship the one who sits on the throne. Sorry, who sits on the throne. Where is sounding praise, we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. So that's G. You do the same thing. 1, 4, 5, 1 with a 5. Then you do we worship the one who sits on the 6, 2. Then you do a 7/5 with a sounding praise. Now before you go to 1, from 5 to 1, the 5 you play a flat 7 chord. This G, so 1 flat 7, and then you do this is a 7, then a flat 7. All right, so you do a flat 7/5 like this. So then we resounding praise, we lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. Now if you want to do this key, you play a 5 here, and then you play a 1 4 5 1 like that. This is how you modulate. Then we worship the one who sits on the throne. We're resounding praise. We lift our voice to the one who sits on the throne. Alright, so that's how you modulate from key to key to key. Alright, so thank you for being a part of this tutorial. God bless you. Bye.